Welcome back, guys. It's been way too long since I actually made a video here on YouTube. If you're new here, and apparently according to my YouTube analytics, there's over 400 new people here since I haven't posted a video in over a year and a half, so I don't know why that makes any sense. Welcome. My name is Aaron Wilhite. I'm the founder of Birmingham Creative, a production company here in Birmingham, Alabama, focusing more on commercial and corporate content. Today, I want to talk to you about a very important topic, that's three-point lighting. Why is this useful? Why is it relevant? Well, three-point lighting is actually used in a variety of number of factors, whether that's the local news, whether it's talking heads or interviews, or this video right here, video game streams, so on and so forth. This is a skill and technique used to make your subject stand out and appealing so your audience can be captivated and listen to the content that they're presenting. And the beauty about this whole lighting strategy, whether you have Amazon LED panels or aperture lights, these techniques can be applied to make your videos stand out and enticing for your viewer. So what do you need in order to achieve this effect? Well, you need three lights. You need your key light, which is usually your main light source, the strongest light source. In my case, I use an Aputure 300D with a softbox. I've used Neewer LED panels in the past. It just all depends on what you own. Or you can even use a big window. Second, you need a fill light, and in my case, I use a bounce, but you can use a white bed sheet, you can use a large window or a white wall. You need something to make sure the light's even, or if you're going for a contrasty look, no reflector at all, which is what you actually see right now, so you can forget about this stuff. Last, you need a hair light. For me, personally, I use a Yongnuo light bar. This allows me to go from 3200 Kelvin all the way up to 5500 Kelvin to match my Aputure 300D. This whole purpose of the hair light, and I'll get to this in just a second, is to separate your subject from the background. So say you have your subject right here. Your key light, which is your main light source, goes either of the 45-degree angles. So right now in the setup, I have the key light right here. And even in the video that you just saw previously, I have it on the left-hand side at a 45-degree angle. Next, you have the fill light, which is my bounce, and the whole purpose of this is to even out the face so it looks less contrasty. But if you're wanting more contrasty, eliminate this step. Last but not least, you have your hair light, which the whole purpose, like I said before, is to separate your subject from the background. This gives you a nice glow over the hairline. And that is a three-point lighting setup. And the cool part about all of this, like I said beforehand, is that these are just fundamentals and building blocks you can do with these rules however you want to create your own personal style and image to help your talent stand out so you can tell the message effectively that you are wanting to tell. That's it. That's all I have. If you enjoyed this video or you learned something, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos in the future. Can't promise anything, but hopefully I'm building the momentum to post more content on a regular basis. But see you later.